to know message is delivered on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any chat from here. If you see delivered below your last message in this chat, it means that the message has been sent from servers to the recipient's device and they've received a notification, but they are yet to see it. Go to the text bar and type in a message. And then, tap on the arrow to send it. As you can see, this message has also been delivered. If it was not, then you would see not delivered below the message. If you see read below the message, then this means that the recipient has opened and read the message. Following these steps, you can easily know message is delivered on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.